Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, lectures. My name is Olivia. On the occasion of it, would like to apologize. The Honorable my first supervisor, Mrs. Riwayuni, the Honorable my second supervisor, Mr. Zamzam, the Honorable examiners teams, Mrs. Yelia, Mrs. Indri, and Mr. Urip. Okay, I will present my thesis about teacher perception on the use of English textbook in teaching English. I want to tell you how I came to this topic. Okay, we know the textbook will become potentially the only support teachers in English for a language learning class. Why? Because the textbook from this fact happens for several reasons. First, the textbook become the cheapest way of providing learning material for each learner, and then the second, the textbook provide direction and or guide for the teachers and student, and then the third, the textbook takes role as for research inspiration for classroom activities and the curriculum itself. And then the application of the textbook in the school become a crucial thing that need attention in order to achieve the object of education. So the teachers and school takes responsibility in for selecting the appropriate textbook related to the syllabus of the school. The teachers will be influenced by their background, knowledge, and life experience. So for that reason, it will be necessary to study about teacher perception on the use of English textbook in teaching English based on their experience in teaching learning process. The researchers conduct this research in this study at one of junior high school in Jambi City. It has been certified at junior high school in Jambi City was one of at school which applied the English textbook as the material research in teaching English process. So the researchers is motivated to conduct this research, use English textbook. The perception will be seen from teacher's view in terms of the textbook availability, content, skill, and exercise. This is the research question in this research is how do teacher perceive English textbook in teaching English at junior high school in Jambi City. Relevant to the research question, the aim in this research is to investigate the teacher perceive English textbook in teaching English at junior high school in Jambi City. This research was focused on teacher perception toward when English ring the bell textbook. This research is limited to examine the textbook in terms of the textbook availability, content, skill, and exercise. There are three significance of the research. The theoretical and the theoretical and practical. First is give information to know what the teacher perceive of the English textbook application, the experience teachers in choosing and applying English textbook for English for a language classroom, and then for English teacher to know how the teacher plan the classroom activities refer to the textbook use, and then for the readers to help the reader to enrich their understanding about the importance of choosing the best source in teaching English. Next, there are some terms in this research. First, teacher perception, that the teacher means in this study are the English for a language teacher would teach English at junior high school. The teacher perception in this research is how the teacher see the issue by their own thinking based on their experience in teaching English. And then textbook, here published material entitled When English Ring the Bell, which specially designed to help language learner to improve their linguistic and communicative abilities. This is in the chapter 2, discuss review of related literatures. There are many theories in this research. Next. Okay. Relevant to the research, relevant to study toward English in this research, there are three previous study from Srakang, from Roslida, and then from Van Haag. And then next, in this chapter, discuss about how the researchers collect, analysis, and present the data for this research. In this research, the researchers use qualitative methods, and then the participant in this research, there are 3 teachers teach English at the 7, 8, and 9 grade. And then in this research, use purposive sampling. And then in this slide, research bias. In this research, it's mean that the researcher is the neutral part, which does not take a part into a positive or negative statement, and the researcher explaining the reason for conducting this research, and then told them if their identity participant will be anonymous. And then next, this is the trustworthiness of the research. Use member check. It means that the researchers is back to participant and asking them in interview or in writing about the accuracy of this research. Next, this is the technique of the data collection. The researchers use interview technique. The researchers collect the data by giving some question, and the language setting use Bahasa Indonesia. Researchers adapt some question from Murcia and modified them with some question related to the aim of in this research. There are 14 question, 10 question from Murcia, and then 14 and then 4 and then and then 4 question related to the research question in this research. And time duration for around 20 until 60 minutes. And the researchers use in-depth interview and keep the data from record. Next, this is the technique of the data collection. The researchers use Miles and Haberman techniques. First is data reduction, second is data display, and then the third is conclusion drawing. Before that, the researchers transcribe the data manually from audio file, and then follow the Miles and Haberman technique, and then after that the researcher interpret and summarize finding. Next, in chapter 4, this chapter draw the result of the interview of this study, including the discussion of examining the research question, and then the following point are interview detailed. There are 7 points to discuss the answers question, and 1 point to discuss all the answers question in this research. First is the textbook used in teaching English. When English ring the bells, as the main book, all the teacher use this book. Why? Because this book When English Ring the Bell is textbook that had been determined at the school, and then the textbook is appropriate for the curriculum of the school. Next, all the teacher agreed the content of the textbook were accurate and up to date, and all the teachers agreed the textbook was relevant to the student needs and interests. Why in this opinion of the teachers, this book has been revised in 2017, and then the material in the textbook had relation to the student daily life. Next, the skill provided in the textbook. All the teacher agreed that even the textbook support the cognitive, psychomotor, and affective aspect. It did not present or over a good balance in listening, speaking, writing, and reading. MM opinion for listening according to be revised, and then RT revised that the reading contents still not able to be properly summarized, and then EHA there were some aspects of those skills that were not clearly visible explained, and then the textbook exercise from according opinions, the textbook activities and exercise were displayed clearly and simple. RT opinion, the textbook had very clear instruction, but there was still minimal exercise and less stimulating the student to gain more knowledge. And then EHA opinion, the exercise in the textbook she used less than the exercise she used before. All the teachers use at some other material from the other textbook. This is the strength and weakness from the When English Ring the Bell textbook. Next, the classroom situation of using the textbook. All the teachers' opinion is the textbook made the student feel at easy in learning. The textbook in the classroom for students can make them more understanding of the material. The classroom situation of using English textbook in the teaching learning process was fully developed. And then next, this is the teacher experience in choosing textbook. When English Ring the Bell as the main book, all the teachers use this book, and then all the teacher also use supplementary textbook. Because the previous book has lack of exercises and less variative. So when English Ring the Bells have less exercise and less variative exercise, and then the how the teacher choose supplementary textbook. The selection of supplementary book based on teacher experience during teaching and learning. And then next, in this part the discussion the in this part the discussion is the result to answer the research question of this research in chapter 1. How do teachers preserve English textbook in teaching English at junior high school in Jambi City? There are 9 points. When English Ring the Bell as the main book, the textbook was suitable for the curriculum of the school. All the teachers perceived that the textbook content was accurate, up to date, and relevant to the student needs. And then all the teachers agreed that the textbook present an overall basic skill in English. The textbook support cognitive, and then effective psychomotor aspect in balance. It also provides some exercise along with well-defined instruction. The textbook also contributes the activities and exercise from the basic to the advanced level. And then next, in chapter 5, conclusion and suggestion. This chapter present the conclusion and suggestion for this study based on the of data interview,